Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, the New World Order book shows you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also, those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And guys, I'm telling you up front now, this is going to be a volatile week. Right now, we are headed down a little lower, but we know the stock market is open. We know the Fed controls the stock market and cryptos, guys. Now, guys, make sure you're focused on the actual indicators. You have your XRP, you have your stable coins, and you have the volume. As we can see, volume has been low. Even when we went up, volume was very, very low. That's why I stated it's only because the stock market closed. It was nothing but an algorithm moving it up. And you can look at the volume and tell that. We normally are in like the 180, almost 200 range when we move almost $2,000. With no volume, we moved $2,000, and I'm just talking about Bitcoin. But all the cryptos went up. That's impossible. But guys, don't forget we have back this week and then CME on the 24th. Put it on your calendar. Back the 17th, CME on the 24th. We have Catalyst this week. As we know, the vaccine has just arrived. First shot. You know how they do it. Then also basically we have the stimulus talks. That's all they need to say is something has come to an agreement and both are going to go up. Now, what do we notice happening this week, guys? We have the Fed meeting. If you checked out my Crypto Teacher stock channel, you know this from last night. The Fed meets 15th and 16th. So, guys, we know when the Fed is meeting, we know markets are steady or they're going up. We know the Fed always keeps the eye off of them. So we know that. It's always a distraction. So the markets are always looking good when the Fed meets. Of course, last week we had a little down week. That was to prepare for this week. Remember, guys, everything is ran out off of algorithm. Now, guys, let's get over into the actual news. Right now, of course, we had the Treasury gets hacked. And the fact is, basically, I did a video on that yesterday. Make sure you check that out. But of course, right now, guys, we're going to hear about a lot of hacking. Remember, I've been over this time and time again when I first started the channel. We're going to be going through a lot of cyber attacks that get us what? Over the crypto. You know, dollars are too risky. People are, the Treasury just got hacked, guys. Of course, it was Bill Gates, Microsoft 365. And guess what? It was the Russians. Guys, it's always a movie. Don't forget about it. Always a movie. Now, basically, we have Thailand's largest bank snubs Ripple, select Stellar for cross-border payments. And guys, we know cross-border payments are going to be big. So basically, of course, we have the two protocols, XRP, and of course, we have XLM. And we never know, down the road, they may do what? Merge. That's right. Now, basically, we have Yearn Finance, which basically merging all the DeFi guys, all the major DeFi. They're the Amazon of DeFi. That's why I said XRP and XLM definitely could merge down the road. Now we have Swiss crypto bank Signum tokenizes shares and prepares for public offering. Guys, we know all these legacy markets are going to get tokenized on blockchain. It's definitely coming. Now we have Ethereum option trade volume surge in November. It's 1.76 billion. And we have Binance and OKEx payment partner Banxa sets to list on Canadian Stock Exchange. So that's the second one on Canadian Stock Exchange, guys, in less than a week. Of course, we had Ethereum ETF gets listed on Canadian Exchange. So guys, don't forget about that. Now we have JP Morgan says due to Mass Mutual, buying Bitcoin proves the crypto demand. Now, of course, guys, I think Mass Mutual is about the sixth largest insurance company. So definitely, but guys, we know the agenda is what? The fourth industrial revolution. They don't want you to own anything physical. They want it all digital, which means it does not exist. Don't get me wrong, of course, right now crypto is the new asset, but guys, do not forget the New World Order agenda. Now we have China coming out, says it has no plan of replacing the dollar with the digital yuan. Now guys, is that correct? Of course it's not correct. Only thing you have to do is look at the Belt and Road. Over 70 countries are inside of the Belt and Road project, guys. They definitely want to dethrone the US dollar. And we know Bretton Woods 2.0 is going to give the IMF all the control. Now, guys, we have JD.com, one of Chinese biggest retailers, does 20,000 transactions during the digital yuan trial. You know, they've been doing the lottery, testing it out. So it's not by chance that China is the first one to be using this CBDC. They are leading the fourth industrial revolution. Do not be blind when it comes to that. Now we have PolkaStarter launches initial DEX offerings with fixed price tokens. And guys, don't forget that project is to help raise capital for projects on DeFi. And I think it launches December 15th. We have Fidelity, one of the largest financial institutions, says their Bitcoin custody has been a success. Now, when it comes to custody, guys, they give it to the big corporations, but they don't give it to us. Now, I understand them giving it to the big corporations first, because, of course, it's institutional money. But now that you've proven it successful for a few years now, why not give it to the people so therefore we don't have to waste money on hard wallets, these keys, when you can provide all of that? You have the capabilities of doing that because it's clearly working because you're doing it for the institution. But hopefully, guys, that eventually comes to us soon. Now, basically, we have Vitalik of Ethereum says, don't go get a personal loan for crypto. Is he correct? Yes and no. Because, guys, we know Bitcoin hits a bottom, then it rises up. Now, of course, if you can catch that bottom, just like this year, if you got a loan at $4,000 and it went up to 19, it is definitely a great opportunity. Of course, guys, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. But basically, lastly, guys, we have Argentina crypto is booming the same way as Venezuela. Anytime you have sanctions or a devalue of your currency, crypto is the place to be. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, links are in the description. Don't forget about the Crypto Teacher stock channel, guys. Please go check it out. Like, subscribe. Don't forget you have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your gaming, your banking. Everybody's sitting at home. They at home stocks. The C word, the biotech stocks. As we know, they're really going to be pumping and dumping right now. And then also, guys, while everybody's sitting at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.